FutureDoc is essentially, it's a program where people who are like aspiring medics, it's where we get support one-on-one and in like group scenarios, and they really help you every step of the way of your application. So my favorite thing about FutureDoc is the one-to-one monthly sessions they offer with a specific mentor from the uni that you want to apply to, because it's really tailored to what you need. Like, especially with the interview prep. I've already had one with my tutor's Mariana, and it was great. Like, the questions she asked me were very specific to, for example, I want to apply to Imperial, and so she asked very specific to Imperial kind of questions, and it was really useful. So, for example, I've started in last year, February it was. You not only just get like monthly one-to-one kind of support with someone who actually goes to the uni you're aspiring for, you get like these weekly kind of workshops where you can build, each week you cover like a different skill. For example, we'll cover like hot topics, we'll cover communication skills, ethics, and all these things helping you build up for the interview. The interview prep isn't just kind of the month leading up to after you're like UCAT and BMAT. They support you with it from the very beginning, and so it's kind of natural when it comes to interview time. I joined you guys in February, and the transformation it's done to me, it's not only helped me with the application, but it's really helped me grow as a person. Talking to all these different tutors, and especially with the group sessions, getting to talk with all these different people. I used to be a really shy person, but after having all these one-to-one sessions and the workshops, these skills I've gained, they're not just for getting into medical school, they're transferable skills for life. And I think that's something I could never repay you guys for.